guys, I'm C2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking a PAPAIZ CRT50. It's a 16 pin Cruciform PAPAIZ padlock from kind bosnianbill to add to my PAPAIZ padlock collection. So thank you so much, my friend. I love this to bits. Bill did a video and he raked it open. I've raked it open as well. Raked it and SPP, setting some of the pins. But like Bill says, it's a fully SPP. Be there a while. That's what I'm going to do now. It can be hit and miss because I've got to change the tension wrenches sort of around in the bottom there. Depending where you put the tension wrench, pins can overbind, so you can go through one of the other little chambers, setting the odd pin. They feel like they've all set, and then you get one that'll bind up far too much, so you've got to swap the tension wrench back over again. But it is a fun pick. This is the key for it. Probably not going to see that too well. Show the key working. You've got to align sort of that arrow on the key with that mark up on the top. Works beautiful. So I've never seen a Cruciform PAPAIZ before, so lovely addition to my collection. It's locked up. Tension wrench, going to use this one, and also a pry bar, and alternate. And the pick is going to be a Peterson deforest, or reach a half diamond as some call it. Let's see how we get on. So SPP can take a bit of time. Just looking into there. The annoying thing sometimes is you can actually be swapping the tension wrenches over and they ping out. So you tend to lose and have to start again. Let's see how we get on. So if you can't see everything that I'm doing, guys, obviously having to twist and tilt. You do get very slight movements. See where the tension wrench is there, it's actually over binding some of the pins. Movement there when I clicked one in that chamber. Just like picking any pin tumbler lock, you're looking for the binding pins. Try and go back to where the wrench is. Just going to do a double check. Now the fun part is swapping the tension wrench without losing anything. There was a little bit more movement there. Seems bound up in that one. Oh, there you go. You can jiggle it about. So that's a 16 pin PAPAIZ CRT 50 Cruciform padlock single pin pits. Like I say, it's hit and miss. It can go a bit quicker. Lovely to pick. So thanks again, Bill. So if you are newbies to lock sport, guys, why not come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.